Hi everyone, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Are you craving that classic Wendy's chili, but don't want to run to the drive-thru or spend all day slaving over a hot stove? What if you could set it and forget it, and still have that delicious, hearty flavor? Today we're making a copycat of Wendy's chili, but we're making it even easier by using a slow cooker. This hands-off approach makes it perfect for a busy weeknight, or even better, for your next football party. So grab your apron and get ready to score a touchdown with this incredible recipe. Okay, this recipe makes a really large batch of chili, perfect for a party. It makes about 12 servings. So what I'm going to tell you is the actual recipe, and what I'm actually doing in front of you is half the recipe. So you need 2 pounds of ground beef. You just want to brown it and break it up until it's like pea-sized pieces. Crumbles is what we want. The only prep really for this chili is browning the ground beef, dicing an onion, and dicing some celery. The rest of it is dump and go. Okay, our ground beef is all cooked through now. We'll get out our crock pot and start putting everything in. All right, we're going to put our ground beef in our crock pot and leave behind as much of the grease as you can. You can either drain it or, like I'm doing, just kind of tilt it so that you leave it behind. Now you're going to need 2 cans of pinto beans and 2 cans of kidney beans, undrained. You need a 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, a 29-ounce can of tomato sauce, a cup of diced onion, 1 stalk of diced celery. Now remember, I'm only doing half a recipe. And this is where I'm going to have a little fun in the kitchen. Normally, Wendy's chili has green peppers in it. I'm going to substitute that with a 4-ounce can of green chilies. I only need half of it. Now we'll add our spices. We need 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1½ teaspoons of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And the last thing is 2 cups of water. We're just going to stir it all up good, get that meat mixed in there well. Pop on our lid, and we're going to cook it on low for 7 or 8 hours and up to 12 hours. The longer it cooks, actually, the better it tastes. Or you can cook it on high for 4 to 6 hours. We'll come back when it's ready to serve. Okay, our chili's been cooking all day. It looks really good. So now we're going to serve it up. It smells fantastic. So now we're going to serve it up and have dinner. Now you can serve it up as is, or like Wendy's, you can add some toppings, put some diced onion on top, a little bit of shredded cheese, and we're ready to eat. Now if you make the full recipe that serves like 12 people and you don't use it all, you can always freeze it. It freezes fantastic. So that's our meal for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now it's time for the beauty shots.